Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you manage storage of WhatsApp on your iPhone. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. Now go to settings and here you have to scroll and find storage and data. Click on it. Now click on the first option, manage storage. Now it will show you all the occupied storage by the WhatsApp. You can see 14 GB is free and 887 MB is used on my iPhone by WhatsApp. Here is the option of larger than 5 MBs. It will show all the files that are larger than 5 MBs. I can delete them by here by click on select, and now I can select all the files and click on delete and then click on delete items. Now these items are deleted, and if you want to view it by chat, you can see the chat and the used data is visible here. Individual data by chats are visible. I can delete it individually by clicking on it and then click on select, and now I can select the media and click on delete and then click on delete items. Now this item is deleted again. So this is how you can manage storage of WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.